Good morning, and I'm going to show you how to make a lapbook. So you fold a lapbook like this, and then you do the same with the other one, and the other one, yes, you're right, is the same. So you just fold them.
Are they just folders?
Yeah, they're just folders. Then you stick them together like this. First of all, you glue the folder to this end to that end. So I'll just glue this. And then, afterwards you do that, you need to stick them down on this end, and then you need to do with the other side.
Will you have the first part of your folder then?
Yeah. Is that you? You have to put it together carefully, just like that, and then you do the same with the other one. When your folders are glued,
What do you have then?
then you have a finished lapbook. You fold it in the middle like this, and then you fold the other half there, and that's how you make a finished lapbook. You put your picture in the middle very gently, no sticky bits out. And as you can see, here's my picture of a light bulb which has electric in it, and it even has a pointy up thing which I don't know what that is.
What's your topic going to be about?
My topic is going to be about electric. For the inside, you fill it up with information that you know, and then, or you can make this thing here, and then you could put any other information. Then, if you want to make a sentence about circuits, you just need to put it on this stripy bit, okay? And don't forget the pictures, because that shows just electric right now. This is my rainforest folder. Inside, it says the layer of the rainforest and
Is that information about the layers?
yeah. These are the rainforest animals. Oh, I forgot. And this is a map of the map that shows where the rainforests are in the world. And this shows us everything. Look, lots of animals look. So this is the lay and colour it there.